Hi, wanted to show you another way that you can put a picture from your camera into a Google Slide or into a Google Doc. So when we learned in class, we found the camera from your app launcher down in the bottom left corner. Then we took our picture and then we went into a document and we clicked Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. And we found it that way, and that way works great. But there is a quicker way. If you are in a Google Doc or if you're in a Google Slide, there's actually a shortcut. So you might have noticed that there's a camera button down here. So you can get here the same way, insert, image, and then choose camera, or there's also a shortcut here on the toolbar. If you don't have all of your toolbar, it might look like this. Okay, so if you want to make sure you have all of them, you want to click that to show the menus. But anywho, here is my insert image, little shortcut. I click the teeny tiny arrow next to it, and then I choose camera. When I do that, I can see myself, and I can take a picture of me, or if I had some kind of work or something that I want to take a picture of. And you can take multiple ones and choose which one you want. And then click insert. And then that's a really, really easy way to put your picture in. So you don't have to go through the whole camera thing. You can just use this little shortcut too. I thought that was pretty cool and worth showing you.